So the Peer Action Collective is a national project across England and Wales which gives young people a chance to look into youth violence.
The Violence Prevention Unit is a multi-agency partnership funded by the Home Office that seeks to prevent all forms of violence in Wales.
In my area there's more like verbal abuse and there's more homophobia, transphobia, things like that. People will, in my experiences, people will shout at you and they'll say what they think immediately and they just don't care and they'll say what they think.
I've got like a sister, a younger sister and everything, and she's worried about getting a taxi on her own and walking on the streets alone at night. And they're big issues I think that need to be tackled as well.
Definitely.
I definitely think that gender-based violence is a concern.
Yeah.
And also sexual violence. I've heard a lot of stories from female friends. And also in some gay bars I've heard some spooky stories about people almost getting roofied.
You know, the broader issue of like drug-related violence and like gang-related violence, young people probably get roped into it at a young age where they're the most vulnerable.
Definitely.
And most of the time they come from like deprived areas with not much income coming in, so they think they have to do it.
There's not many like youth zones or there's not enough education in my area. We don't have any places. We have a lot of places for younger kids, but not many teenagers my age. So that's why a lot of our people don't really know much about it, and they don't try and stop it because we don't have anywhere for them to go or get help, and they don't have any education about it.
So I think like VPU, for example, and PAC, the work they do of trying to, you know, expose these people into like better opportunities and giving them opportunities is a really good step in that direction.
Definitely.
There's no point in having crusty older people like myself telling young people what they should or should not do. What we need to do to create change and to create an engagement with what we're doing is ensure that young people feel that they are the ones that have the power to make the difference and they are able to influence their own futures. So that's really, really important. This is for them, this is by them, and it's with them.
We've been able to put young people on advisory boards and have them in those really important conversations with working professionals who actually work to prevent violence or have a key role in the prevention of violence among young people. So by having young people in those situations and in those scenarios, they're able to kind of be in the conversation that they would never have the chance to be in.
Working with the Peer Action Collective has been really, really important for this piece of work because we share the same vision and mission to end violence that occurs amongst young people. So with that shared understanding, we can take forward work that really engages young people themselves in a way that if we were doing it on our own, we wouldn't be able to do.
The work that's gone into this consultation and the research behind it, there's nothing really like it, and there hasn't been anything like it before either. We've been able to access so many more young people because of that partnership, and to put young people in a position where they can be, you know, they can be vocal about the issues that matter, which is going to benefit everybody. It's not just going to benefit PAC or the VP, is going to benefit Wales, and that's the main thing. There will be some really productive stuff coming out of this project, and this is, you know, the stepping stone to a safer Wales. And I think that without the Peer Action Collective and the VPU's partnership doing that, we would be a lot further away from that really nice end goal. So I think, yeah, I'm very hopeful that will end violence.